So I'm only 24 years old, and so this is a little earlier than a lot of people typically will get their hair transplant done. But I just decided to go ahead and do it because I've waited a long time for this. I've been losing hair since I was about 16 or 17 years old. So even though I'm still young, you know, I have lost a decent amount, and it's just something that I've always really wanted to do. And I'm also taking some medications that will hopefully help prevent some of that further hair loss. So I'm not too concerned about that. And you know, in the worst case scenario, if I do maybe lose a little more hair, maybe I can get it refilled back in, you know, in 5 or 10 years or so, if I ever need to. But for now, I think I feel really good about it. It's something that I'm not too concerned about. So I think it was, you know, a really good job, especially for what I needed.